Yeah, well, this building was built back in 1962, and over the course of the time from 62, the lighting had continued to deteriorate as natural. And when we came in, it was something that we referred to it as walking into a cave. We did not feel that it was an environment that was conducive to a safe environment for our employees so that they wouldn't inadvertently hurt themselves or somebody else. And it gives them, a much better feeling, obviously, for our employees to come into an environment that, they feel comfortable in.
It's like working in a dungeon all day. We did a drugstore yesterday in a small town in northern Ontario, and the employees couldn't believe the difference. It looks like a new store, and they're all happy and proud to be in it.
I'm actually approved by OPA, if you will, as an applicant representative. So we have the ability to go in on your behalf or the end user's behalf to actually apply for those rebates. And it's a process, very much so. So it's a big value add. A lot of times that a CFO or somebody other than the maintenance contractor or whatever wants to see that they're the decision people. And so we can put it into a real nice rate of return report so they can make their decision based on an investment as opposed to just because they should be doing something different.
Lighting knowledge is knowledge of the complete product lines on the market is very key to what we do. When it comes to the actual facilitating and install, you have to have other knowledge. You have to have knowledge about what doesn't work. You have to have knowledge about what our options are for value engineering. You have to have knowledge of what works well together, what doesn't work in certain circumstances. And that's where our team with Ideal Supply really comes together, that we have a lot of comfort with the packages and the designs that Ideal works with us on.
You cannot improve your lighting efficiency or your lighting energy any better than turning a light off. So controls is becoming a very, very big segment of the lighting market, and to be up on your controls and know what they can do and the options available out there, and it doesn't have to be an LED light source to control, it can be any light source. But controlling of light nowadays is extremely important and very financial. It's a good investment.
Being a public utility, we have to provide the best possible option for our customer. So we're always looking for maybe a little bit better quality at the same price point. We did do some other quotes, and again, they came in lower than their competitors.
If customers are buying strictly on price, they're going to get a poor product. Arcadian Projects does not believe in selling any substandard products. So the products we get from Ideal Supply are all quality, brand name. The prices are right in line with everybody else's, all the other distributors. The service above that price is what we're buying. Again, it helps us build our customer relation and that trust in the relationship. It turns into more business in the future.
We're able to provide a comprehensive proposal brought to them by team, not just by an individual, not a fly-by-night presentation. It's easy to show up on a customer and write a quick little quotation on the back of a pad of paper and hand it over to them, but to be able to present them something typewritten with background, with calculations, potential graphs, charts, product cut sheets. The customer wants the value is there to be seen with a package such as that.
Yeah, the closing package absolutely helps close business for myself and the company. It makes customers feel relaxed about what they're buying and a little more confident and educated.
They try to provide as much information as they could provide so that we could make an educated decision as to what we needed, rather than saying this is what you should have.
We've been able to reduce, just in the beginning of the project, we've been able to reduce the consumption by 300,000 kilowatt hours.
And because of the fact that we were able to sit there and upgrade to a more modern technology where we could eliminate some of the lighting fixtures actually in our facility and improve them with better illumination from fewer fixtures, that it was something that there was a tangible benefit with the fixture life going to be somewhere in the vicinity, maybe 20, 30 years. When you consider the kind of money that is going to be saved, your return on investment is spectacular. That actually reduced our energy consumption by about 35%.
There's very large rebates involved in this from the OPA, Ontario Power Authority, basically $800 per kilowatt. So the lighting system above you, about half of that was covered by rebates. It looks like it belongs here. It looks like this building was built with these lights. Then we can get into the actual amount of energy they're using, which is 40% of the lighting that was previously up here. In addition to that, you're looking at lifespan cost of the fixture going into next to zero, because the fixture that's hanging above you will be still hanging there in 35 years' time without any maintenance on it.
I get so many comments from people driving by and just can't believe, you know, the light that is thrown, and people are just pulling in off the highway to check out our new vehicles. When I get my bill every month, my electricity bill, I'm pleasantly surprised. I have a lot more lights at my new dealership, and the lighting bill isn't a whole lot different. It's actually a little bit less than it was at the old store. I would absolutely recommend using LED lighting based on my experience.
We're the people to ask.